LarkVeil Dixon Phrases, 7 phrases for investigating problems, reaching compromises, and acting at the right moment. For each phrase, hear it, learn one clear meaning, study the pattern, and use it in context. Look into. Slowly. Look. Into. It means to investigate a problem carefully so you can discover the facts or cause. A complete account also explains what the investigation found. Put the problem or question after look into. Look into the complaints. Change look to looked for the past. Keep look and into together. The student council looked into repeated complaints about the crowded lunch line. Now, say it in parts. The student council looked into repeated complaints about the crowded lunch line. The repeated complaints give the council a specific problem to investigate. Your turn. Repeat after me. We looked into why the supplies were missing and found an outdated checklist. Go on. Slowly. Go on. Here, it means to continue even after a pause, problem, or difficult condition. The obstacle makes the decision to continue meaningful. Make the activity or person the subject. Rehearsal went on. We went on. Change go to went for the past. This lesson does not use go on to mean happen. Despite the rain, rehearsal went on after the move indoors. Now say it in parts. Despite the rain, rehearsal went on after the move indoors. The move indoors shows how the group adapts and continues instead of giving up. Your turn. Repeat after me. The cleanup will go on despite the delay in collecting boxes. Hold over. Slowly. Hold. Over. Here, it means to postpone a decision or discussion until a later time. The delay creates space for more information instead of ending the issue. This meaning often appears in the passive. The vote was held over until Friday. Use held as both the past form and past participle of hold. The budget vote was held over until every class could comment. Now say it in parts. The budget vote was held over until every class could comment. The delay gives every class a chance to contribute before the decision is final. Your turn. Repeat after me. The final choice was held over, so we could compare 2 safer routes. Give in. Slowly. Give in. It means to stop resisting and accept another position, request, or compromise. A strong example shows what changed the person's mind. Give in can stand alone, or use give in to before a request or pressure. Change give to gave for the past. Do not use this pattern for submitting an assignment. After hearing both sides, Leo gave in and accepted the quieter rehearsal plan. Now say it in parts. After hearing both sides, Leo gave in and accepted the quieter rehearsal plan. Hearing both sides explains why Leo changes his position and accepts a compromise. Your turn. Repeat after me. I gave in after the safety report showed that the shorter route was better. At once. Slowly. At once. Here it means immediately and without delay. The phrase highlights a fast response when waiting could make a problem worse. Place at once after the urgent action. Shut off the burner at once. It can also begin a command. This lesson does not use at once to mean simultaneously. When the alarm sounded, the lab team shut off the burner at once. Now, say it in parts. When the alarm sounded, the lab team shut off the burner at once. The alarm creates urgency, and the immediate response prevents further danger. Your turn. Repeat after me. We moved the wet boxes at once to protect the books underneath. Be about to. Slowly. Be about to. It means that an action is ready to happen in the next moment. The pattern often creates a turning point by showing what interrupts the action. Change be to match the subject and tense, then use about to plus the base verb. Use was about to when for an action interrupted at the last moment. I was about to submit the form when the power went out. Now, say it in parts. I was about to submit the form when the power went out. The power failure interrupts the action at the final moment and creates a clear turning point. Your turn. Repeat after me. We were about to leave when the guide noticed a missing student. Knock someone out. Slowly. Knock someone out. Here, it means to make someone unconscious through a hit or collision. A responsible account also shows the immediate safety response. Place the person between knock and out. Knock the cyclist out. Knock him out. Change knock to knocked for the past. This lesson does not use the competition or surprise meanings. A hard fall knocked the cyclist out, so race staff called for help. Now, say it in parts. A hard fall knocked the cyclist out, so race staff called for help. Calling for help shows the necessary response after the cyclist loses consciousness. Your turn. Repeat after me. A second collision could knock a player out, so the referee stopped the match. Choose one phrase for investigating or postponing a decision, then one phrase for compromise or immediate action. Write 2 connected sentences. First, explain what people learned or delayed, then show the choice or response that followed. Good decisions connect evidence with action. Look into the problem, hold over a choice when more facts are needed, and act at once when safety cannot wait. Say your 2 sentences once today and once tomorrow. See you in the next LarkVeil Dixon Phrases lesson.